LAX, please, Lisa.
I got up this morning, put on my shoes, tied my shoes, went to the mirror, put a comb my hair.
First location. I mean, if the tree wasn't in the way. Excuse me, tree. Guys, I'm telling my family that I want some drones for Christmas and they don't want to get me any. I want some drones, guys. They're only $49.99. Ah, fine. Get a DJI Mavic. Okay, I want some Legos. Okay, I want a new computer. It's only like $500. Fine. Okay, I only want that TV. It's only about that. Ooh, nice couch. I could picture me sleeping there. Sometimes I shop with some of the slowest shoppers ever. Too slow, guys. Got the drink, got the food. We're ready to go. If you guys don't know where we're going to TJ, by the way. Sorry. Haven't made that announcement, but I'm going to TJ. What happened, man? Finally, 2-hour ride. 2 hours. Too long, bro. Also, check out this camera. Pretty sick, huh? I gotta talk to you guys about this pretty cool story. Oops. Had to get a little bit away from the noise, guys. But here is the challenge that I've been talking about on Instagram. So, 31-day challenge, only 5 days to complete, starting tomorrow, and I already think I'm gonna have trouble with the first one. Hey guys, got a new hairstyle. What do you think? It's called the Goldilocks. I just found this hat here. Geez, I don't even know if it has lice or anything, but it's pretty cool. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. Who's that, princess?
Cinderella?
No, nah. I don't want to be locked in the castle. Why is it every time I come to TJ, it's always hot up in here? Where's my fan? Took my freaking fan. Jesus, 1 week I'm gone and they steal everything from me. Just kidding. It's probably in the room. I'm gonna go steal it right now. Dinner for tonight. And I gotta tell you guys a little story about that camera that I got. Let's check it out, why don't we? This camera here. It was a gift that I thought I'd never receive. And I've always been talking about getting a film camera, buying one, getting into film and all that. And I just got one, like out of nowhere. I seriously just got this camera. And it was given to me by the CEO. It wasn't from the CEO exactly, it was given to the CEO to be given to me, and it was crazy. Like, it's just, I'm left with no words. And you know who you are. Give me this camera. Let me show you on my Instagram. Let me just take out my phone. So this is Hank. Hank the wonder dog. The comfort dog. He usually goes to workplaces to, you know, go visit, stuff like that. You know, it's like a therapy dog. And, you know, he goes around to different spots. But he came over to our job and, you know, he saw me taking pictures with my DSLR. I had the 70D on me. And he was really amazed with the pictures. I finally got them uploaded and he really wanted to get them, you know, for me to get them to him. So I will get them to him, and you, thank you so much for that camera. I'll definitely cherish it and use it forever because I've been wanting to get into film photography. Alright guys, hopefully I'm not too dark, but I'm probably gonna get some rest already because I kind of want to go to the airport in the morning, so I gotta be up by like 3 or something. Hopefully I fit in the car, but I do want to go, and I'll bring you guys with me, and it'll be a fun little ride. It'll be like we're taking off, but I'm actually not. I'm gonna stay here. So see you guys at 3 in the morning.